Welcome to HeyGen Academy. SCORM Export lets you turn your HeyGen videos into packages that work inside learning management systems. If you're creating training modules, onboarding content, or educational videos that need to track learner progress, SCORM Export makes it easy to deliver engaging, measurable lessons. SCORM stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. It's a standard used by most learning platforms to track course progress and completion. With HeyGen's SCORM export feature, you can turn any video into a SCORM compliant package that reports back to your LMS when learners watch and complete your content. This means you can integrate video-based training directly into your LMS, track completion rates, and control exactly how much of the video must be watched before a lesson is marked complete. HeyGen SCORM packages also support interactive elements such as quizzes and branching video. Learners can choose paths through the content, answer questions, and experience nonlinear playback instead of watching a single straight timeline. In HeyGen AI Studio, you can add quizzes and branching so your SCORM package stays interactive. Here's how to export a video as SCORM. From your HeyGen dashboard, open the video you want to export and select the download button. In the download options, open advanced settings and toggle on export as SCORM. And this will open the SCORM export settings. Next, choose which SCORM version you want to use. You can select either SCORM 1.2 or SCORM 2004 4th edition. If you're not sure which option is right, it's best to check with your LMS provider to confirm what they support. You'll also see an option to host video on HeyGen by enabling Auto SCORM, which lets you update your video in HeyGen, and the changes automatically appear in your LMS. You won't need to download and re-upload a new package every time you make edits. The video is served from HeyGen instead of being embedded in the package. After that, set the completion threshold. This determines how much of the video a learner must watch for the lesson to be marked complete in the LMS. For example, if you set the slider to 80%, learners will need to watch at least 80% of the video to complete the course. Once everything looks good, click Export SCORM Package. HeyGen will generate a zip file containing your SCORM compliant package and download it to your device. Now upload the zip file to your LMS using its SCORM upload or import feature. Your HeyGen video will now function as an LMS-ready course module with built-in progress tracking and completion rules based on the threshold you set. You're now all set to scale training, onboarding, and education with confidence.